10 life lessons from Buddha for daily inspiration. One peace comes from within. Do not seek it without. Focus on inner calm instead of external control. 2. What you think, you become. Your thoughts shape your reality. Think wisely. 3. The mind is everything. What you think, you create. Positive mindset builds a positive life. 4. Holding on to anger is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to die. Let go. Forgiveness sets you free. 5. Health is the greatest gift, contentment the greatest wealth. Value your well-being more than material gain. 6. Do not dwell in the past. Do not dream of the future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment. The now is where life happens. 7. In the end, only 3 things matter: how much you loved, how gently you lived, and how gracefully you let go of things not meant for you. Live with love, grace, and detachment. 8. You only lose what you cling to. Freedom begins with letting go. 9. No one saves us but ourselves. We must walk the path. Responsibility is the first step toward transformation. 10,000s of candles can be lit from a single candle, and the life of the candle will not be shortened. Share your light. Kindness multiplies.